Hello, my friends. So guess what? I have an unboxing for the scrapbookingstore.com's May 2020 kit, as well as the upgrades. So I wanted to unbox it with you. Let's see, all I did so far is open this up. And it comes in this bag right here, and there's always a super sturdy piece of cardboard in there. So I end up using these each time to, separate out my homemade kits and all that. So yeah, those do get use. All right, so let me get rid of this and show you what I have going on. All right, so let's see. The collection we are going to work with is the Simple Stories So Happy Together 12 by 12 collection piece, 95 pieces. So I'm assuming that is stickers and pieces. I don't know. Let's see what else. There's 12 sheets of double-sided designer cardstock paper, including 4 element sheets in sizes 2x2, 3x4, 4x4, 4x6, and a sheet of cardstock or combo cardstock stickers. All right, so it's called So Happy Together, Simple Stories. And already, I mean, there's a wood grain. All right, so let me get this out of the little crinkly situation so I can share it with you. I'm going to try not to totally destroy this packaging. We'll see how that goes. If I do, I'll just put it into another giant baggie. But I'm excited to get going on this. I have a design team project due today with it. So timing is awesome that I got it in. All right, so let's go ahead and start with this side. Okay, so you know how you always get the piece of paper? Some people do use this, which I think is great, and I never have. All right, so I'm gonna put that aside. I'll put that with the packaging. So let's go page by page and see what we have. So it's all Simple Stories, So Happy Together, but then each one has a name. So the first one here is called I Love Us. So what I'm seeing so far, because I saw this, but I didn't see it. And what I mean by that is I saw that we were using this collection, but I didn't look into it too far. All right, so we have kind of a nice dusty navy, a strong peach. This is like somewhere between cherry and tomato soup. Deep coral, I don't know, whatever you want to call it. And it's a really nice daffodil yellow. So really great vibe there. Oh, in the background is a super easy to use gingham. So that is awesome. And yeah, super easy to use. Okay. Oh, the next one's cute. All right. We have lots of houses. It's called Welcome Home. And you have this really nice, it's not exactly what I would call a mint, but it's a gorgeous background with all kinds of little houses. Now, if you're really feeling it, you can go ahead and cut them out and use them as embellishments. But the nice thing is also that they are in a nice straight line, so you could just cut out borders of them as well. So that will make that easy to use. Oh, well, now we have a problem because this backside is like the perfect background, which is just tone on tone in the peachy tones. I adore that. Okay. We're gonna do A sides though. Next is a gorgeous coral. This is called Time Together. So we have a gorgeous coral with an off-white, definitely not white. See how there's bright white there? This is not white. So it's kind of like a cream, whatever, you know how like when things use white or cream. So it's definitely not off-white, which is fine. And it's just a really delicate floral. Ooh, in the back is this really great color. It's, I'm telling you, it's almost seafoam. Not quite sure. And then with that off-white again. And yeah, that's gorgeous. Love this pop of color though. So this is another floral. It is called Hello Love. So it's on that off-white background, but there's also like little speckly taupe bits on it. So it has like almost like a texture kind of thing to it. So Hello Love, all the colors in the collection. But I'll use this. Unless I use this in bits. I don't know what I'm using yet. So this is a really nice, almost a blonde wood grain. Love that. All right. So next, oh, this is adorable. Okay. So Happy Together, My Family, tons of frames hanging up. It is super, super cute. For those of you who like to get your fussy cut on, you could be busy with that. Ooh, but this is a tone-on-tone perfect navy. So we're not seeing it as well like that. So I'm gonna go like this so we can see them. Okay, next. Next paper is called Happy Heart. So this is this really nice deep, I don't know, like a bright mustard. Is that like really a word? I mean, it's, or a dark daffodil, I don't know. So you already have a lot of your work done for you here with these super blown up florals in 2 of the corners, which is awesome. See the other side. Oh, now this is cool. So this is the off-white and it looks like black. I don't know if it's supposed to be navy or black. It looks blackish. I think it's black. Polka dot. So this is such a great background. All right, so now we have a really tight floral and it's cute. It's very sweet. It's called Our Story. Oh, but the back, once again, this is a text and I love using text as accent or even for a background. So this is more my jam. That is awesome. And do you see this? There's itty bitty little tiny hearts all over the place too. It's really cute. And some of the verbiage is happiness is homemade. Home is the only place I can be myself. Adored, home sweet home. So all kinds of nice sentiments there. All right, we have a little bit of a wider gingham here in this kind of minty seafoam color. It's called My Squad. Ooh, but look at this coral with little tiny white dots. That is awesome. All right, so this is a gorgeous coral. I absolutely love that. And this is once again one of those really great backgrounds because you can pop all of these really bold florals on it and you can build ever so nicely. So what I've seen so far with this collection that I'm digging is I really like a mix of the A and B sides. Like some of them I'm like such a B-side girl so often, but it's a great mix that we have going. All right, so now this one is the 2x2 elements because they're 2x2 squares, right? And I just recently did a layout with, I think like 16 2x2 squares. Anyway, you can use the words love if you want to pop them out, which how cute is that? There's all kinds of great little sentiments. You can fussy cut, you can have the little books. There's so much you can do with this. This is an awesome piece of paper. Look at the little globe. That's gorgeous. And then this side is a really nice triangle geometric kind of vibe. And I'm liking some of the ideas I'm having with that, actually going this way, cutting out blocks of the triangles. So we'll see, not sure yet. All right, so next cut apart sheet is called 3x4 elements for obvious reasons. They're 3x4. So, I mean, these are much more blown up. So you can do your pocket scrapbooking, which I don't do. But I do some grid scrapbooking. But I mean, like for example, look at how awesome this piece would be to cut out right here, this camera. And I know I'm going to be making some cards with this kit, and that's the kind of thing I like to put as a big block on my cards. Like with a little sentiment right across the heart would be easy peasy, lemon squeezy. All right, backside, absolutely gorgeous plaid using all of the colors in the collection. So that is great. Okay, so that one dot that I said's black, I believe this is a black stripe right here. So they did bring in a little bit of black with this collection. So there's navy and black. All right, so then this cut apart, they're called 4x4 elements. So much wider chunk, makes me want to do like 4 1/4 inch cards because these would be great fronts on the cards. So really nice sentiments like let your love shine, and then we have some lamps and look at that big wreath for the front of a card. Oh, so yeah, fun to be had. Ooh, and an awesome stripe. So here's the thing though. So let's say I want to make cards. I love this stripe. What do? Get 2 collections? Maybe, I don't know. But yes, that is awesome. I kind of feel like I want to shimmy some of these inside because you don't get to enjoy them when they're all next to each other, or it's harder for me to see what I have. All right, so finally for my papers, So Happy Together 4x6 elements. I love these houses. I like these houses cut or fussy cut out and popped up. They are adorable. Our Family is awesome. Now this is a take on that paper I said would be so easy that has the elements in the two corners. Oh, and now look at this, our family photo. Cute, it's cute. Okay, so great piece here, and oh no, we have a wood grain. Wood grain is my weakness. So right away, I feel like I have to stash this away because I know I'll want the wood grain. Yeah, sometimes you can get on a serious struggle bus with these things. Oh, it goes this way. All right, so so here we have all the A sides, and I know there are a lot of A sides, right? And then I will flip and we can get the B sides, which feel a little calmer. Not bad, not good, just calmer, and I love them. So they're awesome. I'm feeling it. Love what we have here. Now let me kind of go like this, and I'm going to just shimmy these up a little bit because I want to show you my upgrades. Now the upgrades are separate from the kit. So this is what comes in the kit, is this collection. But oh my gosh, before I show you that, let me show you the stickers because I really wanted to see them too. All right, the So Happy Together combo cardstock stickers, they're called. Oh, and they're made in the USA. All right, so I love the border stickers. I always end up using them. And these tabs, I mean, you can pop all kinds of tabs on the top of your photo and make it awesome. Oh, here's that word family that I saw on the one cut apart, and I was thinking about cutting it out, but they did the work for me. I've got this great house that you can layer with those other houses that I thought would be great to cut apart. We've got these nice sentiments here, which is so easy for card makers. So I have a house there and a house there. They are so cute. I mean, look at this little chair. It looks like one of the old school chairs my grandmothers used to have, covered in chintz. Ooh, and then we have a light from up above. That could be a really interesting touch too. Now down here, we have all kinds of little words, and they're absolutely family-based. We are family, blessed, hello, love, gather together, together we have it all, sisterhood, my tribe, all that kind of stuff. So that is awesome. So this is the kit. Now I can show you the upgrades. All right, so this time we have 4 things in the upgrades, which I think is awesome. So the first thing we have here, this is from Amy Tangerine. There are 60 clear stickers, which is very cool. Okay, and along with the 60, I have a small bin here from who knows what I did. There are gold accents in these stickers, so you can bring in your metal, which is fun. Makes me think I might be grabbing some metal, some little metal touches to go with this, some gold. And this is like that mid-tone yellow gold. All right, so these are clear stickers too. So they are nice because you can see your background paper, but if you don't want to see that and you want your sticker to pop up more, slap it on a little bit of white cardstock and just fussy cut it. Look at how awesome this big Polaroid is. That is hilarious. Sincerely yours. This would be cute, like, you know, the pizza and the soda is cute for a little mealtime out. Cute, cute. And there's a backside as well. Look, there are little tapes, which is so great. They're cassette tapes. So very cute. The thinking of you is awesome. You plus me equals we. The thanks would be great for card making. Look, it says, hey girl. So cute, so awesome. Lots of fun there. So upgrade number 1. Next thing I am grabbing is, these are by Pink Paisley, Hello Sunshine, and they're stickers. There's 10 pieces. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, so they're all on this side, and they are on a black, right? But it's like a, I'm not gonna call it chalkboard, but it's not like jet black, which is kind of nice because it works with this collection incredibly well. And even this word rainbow, all of these colors work really nicely with this. So we have more sentiments, and that's fun to have another manufacturer. Oh, these are cool. These are by Heidi Swapp, and they're charms. There's 4 of them. And look, I mean, they are literally charms. So choose happy, enjoy the view, love, and smile. I mean, these might be really cool. I mean, you can, I'm going to put them on layouts, but I like the idea of adding them on a card because then somebody can take it off and use it. or in like a pocket letter. That would be so great because, yeah, who wouldn't want to use those? And then finally, in this really nice royal kind of a blue, these are Studio 112 adhesive gems. So there's already adhesive on them. There's 20 pieces. So we have like an oval, a heart. This is definitely a floral. This is a really deep oval, almost like a floral petal kind of a thing. And then a very typical gemstone kind of vibe. So those are cool too. So this is my May 2020 kit and upgrades. And now I want to get crafting. So thank you so much for taking a look at my unboxing. I hope you like what I'm going to be working with this month, and I cannot wait to get to it. All right, I'm going to have all the details down below with how you can get your kit. Oh, and I'm also going to have an affiliate link down below. So if you wanted to order your kit through the affiliate, my channel would get a small, is it commission? I don't know. I would earn a small amount of money to help support my channel. If you don't want to go through the link, that's absolutely fine, but the links will be down below for how you can get your hands on this kit. All right, I'm going to start scrapping and stay tuned. There'll be a video coming soon. Bye-bye, friends.